Hello my fellow creators and welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to day 3 of using the different clubs in the March 2026 All Clubs crate from Spellbinders. So today I'm using the large die of the month, which, oh my goodness, so cute. It's called Classic Kicks and it has so many dies, so many. You can make this little shoe, this little like Converse, and then you have these grilling utensils, a bottle that could be a beer bottle, a soda bottle, whatever you want it to be. Some flowers, leaves, really pretty. So use this. For my sentiment, I'm bringing back in the clear Stampin' Die of the month, Good Times. And then I brought in this 3D embossing folder. This was the November 2025 embossing folder of the month, 3D embossing folder of the month, and it is Petite Tuft. And I used it because it has like these diamonds, and I got everything prepped to put my card together today, guys. So I have everything ready to go. Because the day got away from me. It was opening day for the San Diego Padres, and as you can see, I made my little Converse shoes to be San Diego Padres shoes. So the sentiment I'm using says, hope your day is a home run. And then I cut 2 of the dies for making the shoes. I actually made 2 shoes. So the papers I used, the kind of goldish yellowish is saffron, and then the brown is truffle. And what I did is I did do some ink blending, just using whatever ink was left on my blending brushes, so kind of to get a little bit of dimension there. And then for the tip of the shoelace here, guys, I don't know if you could tell, there you go, I just used the brown Copic marker and colored the tip of that shoelace brown. So trying to bring in all the gold and brown from our San Diego Padres. And then for my bottles here, I am pretending they are some Pacifico bottles. So that is a brand of beer, in case you didn't know. So I was gonna like write on there Pacifico, but I thought, nah, it's gonna be kind of hidden behind the shoes, so I didn't do that. But I did grab a logo for our San Diego Padres and put it on this round part of the shoe. And then you'll see here that I did use that 3D embossing folder. See, you can see. Oh, and I also used the stencil of the month to get like this grungy brown circles. Here you can see the stencil shifted, but not a big deal, not a huge deal. So what I am going to do is put this, just lay it flat on my card base, and then I'll add the rest of my elements. We'll put this card together. So today is going to be a quick video. Oh, you can see I was testing the yellow on the back here. I'll do that sometimes when I'm not sure what color to use. I was testing whether I wanted that yellow or more of the browns for the stenciling that I did here. So I'm going to go ahead and center this here on my card base. It's kind of a simple card, I guess. I mean, there's some die cutting involved, but I think overall it's a pretty easy card to put together. So the basic layout I think I'm going to do, I kind of laid it out beforehand just to be sure, is put my 2 shoes here. On this one I added some foam squares, put them here, and then put my sentiment up here that says, hope your day is a home run. I think I like the way that looks. So let's get started putting all my elements on my card. Now, as I am recording today's video, like I said, it was opening day for the Padres. As I came back to my craft room to make this card and record the video, we were not doing well, I'll tell you that much. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna go make my card. Hopefully they'll do better once I'm not watching, and we'll see, not sure. Okay, love this shoe. I love all the different ways it's been used by different creators. But like I said, I am in baseball season mode. Okay. Then this one, I am gonna just pop up a little bit. So I put on some foam squares on the back end of the shoe because that'll be overlapping the other shoe. So this will kind of add dimension to this section. Loving these details, like the little shoelaces, just such good details. Then I think I have this one kind of going down. There we go. Kind of like it's stepping. There we go. Then we can just peel the foam tape off of here and add our sentiment. Should have put some liquid glue to give me wiggle room, but it's okay. I'm gonna kind of do my best here to make it straight. What do you think? Oh, love it. Maybe not. Maybe I don't love it so much. Give me a second. I think I might shift the sentiment up just a bit. If I can take it off without tearing paper. Oh yeah, I like it up higher. Okay, let me get it straighter. Much better. Much, much better. What do you think? I should send this to the Padres is what I should do. Because I'm really hoping all their days are a home run this season. Alrighty friends, there's my card for day 3. And it was a quick one today, but I hope you enjoyed seeing what I did with the large die of the month. Thanks so much for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.